I was very impressed with the live surgery. I have operated live surgery in the United States, many other countries, but what was unique here was that you had the cadaver dissections. Simultaneously, you had a surgeon doing the procedure, so it was very clear to see the anatomy and to see the surgery. So for me, that's the best addition to the program, and for me, I sat there and said, well, this is great.
We did a mini facelift, but with a high SMAS approach, and then a special technique of fat grafting where we size the fat into 3 different sizes, and we use a structural graft under the muscle in deep compartments, and we use a microscopic graft superficial, and then we use nano fat to stimulate tissue growth.